Now I want create outline and create video script to belong to the planning. So there are two ways that this can be done. One is to move the task to the planning. So this will tell Gantt Project that we want Gantt outline to be part of the planning. We want planning to be the parent and Gantt outline to be the child category. Okay, and then again do for Gantt video script. Okay, so we'll need to move Gantt video script up. Another way to promote or demote a task is to just click on the task itself. So for example, I want Gantt video script to belong to planning. So in this case, I'm going to click on this option here. The first option could be to promote, and then the second option could be to demote. So click on this, and now you can see that Gantt outline and Gantt video script belongs to the planning category. The category lead will have a black kind of arrow to indicate that this is the parent category.